Hi guys, as you know, at the end of the May I was in Japan on my Lean tour, and I was happy to attend the Dojo training facility, and I record this presentation, and as you can hear the presenter Japanese speaking, and on the background we had a translator who translated the presentation. I use a single microphone connected to my iPhone to record this presentation, and the presenter voice was very loud, and the translator voice we can barely hear. So I created the first Kaizen to improve the presentation recording where two people involved. At least in the situation like this. Today I am going to review Saramonic SmartRig Audio Mixer. From the beginning of this review, I would like to mention that this is not a Saramonic SmartRig Audio Mixer full review. In this video I review the Saramonic SmartRig Audio Mixer as my specific video workflow improvement. I want to improve the quality of the iPhone video presentation recording. This type of presentation has two voice sources. For example, the first source is the presenter and the second source is the translator. First, I install the battery. The Saramonic SmartRig Audio Mixer uses 9-volt E-type battery, and it's located from the back of the mixer. The second thing I did is I put the color marks for the visual control. You can read more about the visual control in my article, and you can find the link somewhere below the screen. I applied 3 different color dots. The green dots show the switch position. The red dots shows the 3.5 millimeters TRX microphone inputs, and the yellow dot from the bottom shows the headphone 3.5 millimeter output jack for monitoring. Also, I apply the red dot to 3.5 millimeters pin for my Sinister wireless transmitter, as well as the 3.5 millimeter pin for my Rode microphone. After I put everything together, I realized that another improvement has to be made. The Saramonic SmartRig Audio Mixer has to be attached to the Beast Grip. And I built a simple L-shaped holder with 2 holes from each side. One of those holes is used to attach the holder to the Beast Grip, and another hole is I used to attach the Saramonic SmartRig to the holder. Now we can put everything together. So first I attach the Rode microphone to the left channel and the receiver from my wireless microphone to the right channel. As you can see, the dots are matched. The color on the dots are matched. Next thing, I connected the headphone, and the last step is to connect mixer output to the iPhone. I use the Lightning adapter as iPhone 7 Plus doesn't have separate 3.5 millimeter audio input. Everything is connected now, and we can do the test. So first I turn on the mixer, and as you can see, the switch is on the green position. I'm going to use the Rode microphone first and record it. So I put the volume to the max on the left channel and volume to the to the minimum to the right channel. And I will record from the Rode first, and then I will try to record from the wireless. Now I am recording from the Rode microphone, and you see it's working very well. Now I'm reducing the volume on the left channel. I am increasing the right volume on the right channel, and I'm using my wireless microphone. Okay, it's probably too much. I just want to reduce it a little bit. Okay, everything is going cool. And now I'm going to try both microphones and see what's happened later. Okay, now both microphones are in use. They're supposed to write on the same channel, and you can hear it right now. Okay, thanks a lot for watching my video, and I recommend to look at my article on the fromtimetoaction.com, and you will read more about that little experiment. Thanks.